Let's pump that water, Tommy. I know you want to try that.
I do want to try that. Using Reed pump stick today. It's working great. Get the little puddle of waters out. Be able to move it around. Quick and simple. I'd have to grab a 2-inch trash pump, throw it in here, run out the hose. It's a lot of work to move it around. Plus it's got a 50-foot hose. It's just a pain to move. I like how portable it is. I can just pump this out quick and do my work and be able to backfill quickly. It's quick. What did they say? 1,000 gallons per battery?
Yeah.
I could actually step in it now without it going up and over my boot.
You know, if the main was real dirty, we got the hole pumped out, we can actually use the water from this pump to wash our main off with the water. Rinse it right off with the pump. It's ready to rock and roll.
I definitely recommend it.